I know the future brings you another video. Today we'll be reading the hand of famous YouTuber Logan Paul. So there are some things on his hand I saw which surprised me, some which didn't. Which surprised me were his very strong first phalanges of the fingers. As you know, the first phalanges they stand for intellectualism. So these people usually they go for higher studies and are very academically inclined. I think he did enroll his bachelor's for engineering. So I was like shocked because he never gave that impression of being academically inclined, like being smart without being good in studies is another thing. So again, I could see this guy if his YouTube career didn't work out, he would have been in the engineering and maybe have gone till PhD level as well. We can also see that by his headline, the length is very good. It's going downwards straight at the start. So we see that this person has very good extraordinary intelligence. We also see negative things, like the first negative thing is that the lifeline and headline are too separate, too far away from each other. I had this friend, he was like always changing, like he's studying to be a doctor. I think he's become a doctor, but he sometimes wanted to become a painter. And that too, I'll give the story that once he saw someone, a laborer, painting the sign over a board. So he was like, "This is what I want to do," and I was like, "You want to do this, but you're studying to be a doctor." He said, "I want to. Oh, I wanted to become a painter or want to become a painter." So I'm like, "This is like a bit different from painting, but okay." So these type of people, they are very, very, very changeable, irrational, and they need other good things to balance this side of the personality. Other good things like a strong Venus mount, good thumb, and also strong first phalanges. Now the thumb is not that good. The shape of the thumb shows intellectualism, diplomatic skills, intellectualism in the sense communicative intellectualism. These people are very good talkers, very diplomatic. They don't rub you the wrong way in person. Again, I don't know his public persona, but they make a lot of money from communication. We see that the little finger is also long, even though it's a bit short. This just means a bit of self-esteem issues in the young age, a bit of shyness. But overall, this person is, if there's one word to describe him, it wouldn't even be confident. It would be overconfident because of the space between the head and lifelines. It's no surprise that his Venus mount is one of the strongest on his hands. This is because he is very physically fit. I think he is good looking. I only saw him in Baywatch, so he was very physically fit. So this person, Venus mount people, they have this energy to be very physically fit, and they are ones most likely to have strong bodies, go towards bodybuilding and even earn from that. We also see his moon mount is also exceptionally strong, which shows worldwide fame. And again, we see this combination, Dwayne the Rock Johnson has it, Leonardo DiCaprio has it, in which when the person they might struggle a bit or a lot in their childhood, circumstances might be against them, but once they get fame, it's like a lot of fame. So yeah, the moon mount gives his creativity, the Venus mount gives his like desire for glamour, and when these two mounts are combined, you see that this person is, he's using his masculinity, his physical appearance, his talking, conversational skills, his creativity in, and to rise above his social class. And for him, yeah, money is very important, but even more important than money is status symbols. Uh, Big house, expensive car, this stuff. He's also very attracted to beauty. He cannot, like, he would go for looks first and then personality. But overall, he would, I think, make a good decision because if you see his heartline, it is like, I think it's very downward, like from the finger. So this person doesn't open up easily or show his true self easily. So, but these people are also good judge of characters. So yeah, so he won't make the wrong choice. Again, he could be like the other partner. The person would be like they would be thinking how to handle him because he's always changing. And even now, you see, sometimes he's going to boxing, sometimes that, but it's working in his favor because overall the hand is good. So even if the headline, like if suppose the headline was not strong and this lifeline and headline were separated, it wouldn't have been good. But here we see that the headline is strong. It's actually very good, and that is what is making him a bit settled, a bit stable. So whatever he does it with a certain type of intelligence, with a goal in mind. So like many people I have seen, again, like this guy is dumb, this guy is insensitive, yes, and that thing which happened with Japan, yeah, because what happens is, because the head and lifeline being separated, these people do not think at all what the other person think about them. So this can also rub the wrong way, like because he won't be considering that this thing is offensive, like people would be offended by that, like he won't even be considering that. So that is one very negative aspect. The desire for luxurious items, fame is also like very overabundant. And the thumb, look at, when the thumb is long, it should reach, it should reach, I mean when the thumb is average length, it should reach the third phalange of the first finger, but here we see it is very below that and it's short. So this shows, again, this shows a bit like a person who, will do things, like will be their own worst enemies. They do things due to emotions, like he has a strong headline, but it's going downwards towards the emotional area. The heart line is mostly physical, but the thing is that the thumb is like weak. So I think this is also the reason he did not go for higher studies, because it demands a lot of commitment. So this person cannot commit to long-term projects, and he's very, like, what do you say, that many people confuse long term with more success, because the person thinks with their head. But no, if a person has all the other things good, and especially if the person has a vase shaped thumb, so this shows that the person, they might think emotionally, but they also have this added advantage that they know what other people are thinking emotionally. So the thing is that they are oftentimes more clever, especially with this thumb shape, than the long thumb people, who are like very, what do you say, straight, people who go on the straight and narrow and stuff. But again, emotional, like this person, yeah, he can be emotional, he can lose control of his emotions, he can be volatile, he is already very impulsive. So the short thumb means lack of control of a person. Like they can like get angry, get very like emotional is fine, but get very unreasonably emotional. So you see where the negative associations with the short thumb, and also the positive ones. We also see a very strong attachment line towards the end, this could be somewhere around the 40s, because the fate line is also changing around 36 to 40, but mostly it's very late. So I would say there will be a change in the 40s, like he might become more fatherly, more family oriented, and the change might also show another change of direction. But overall, it's a favorable hand. It's just that, yeah, this person is insensitive, and it would take him a lot, like other person, anyone would take, like be able to sympathize easily with someone, like someone's condition or stuff. But this guy, he thinks that, because he's himself very lucky, the Venus mount, the and etc. So he's a bit hard-hearted, as we say. But with proper like guidance, a proper mentor, this person can be guided to be less insensitive. So anyone can change. So overall, a very creative hand. Not surprised that even if he didn't get success on YouTube, he would have gotten success via engineering, because the first phalanges of the fingers are very good. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day ahead.